Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So as you saw by today's title, or the title of today's video, it is once again my favorite thing to do on this entire planet, TJ Maxx and Marshall haul. This will be the third haul that I am filming, but like the 9 millionth one I've done in my life. Typically whenever I want to go out and either get new makeup or get new products, you know, stuff that I want to play in, you know, because I'm a little bored with what I got, I will go to one of these type stores and check out their inventory to see maybe I can get something a little bit cheaper and still spark my creativity and spark my interest. So I wanted to share with you guys the haul that I have collected over the past like maybe 1 or 2 shopping trips and share my goodies. Not those ones, but these ones, these goodies. And I've got a few. So let's begin. So I'm not going to go in any specific order. I feel like we always need to talk about that because I feel like people think like, oh, number 1, she's the best. Last one, she's the worst. Like, no. I'm just going to grab and go, okay? And I don't have my rings on and I feel naked, so give me a second. Alright, so the very first item I'm going to grab, it's the biggest one sitting here in front of me. And it is this one right here. It is a Lily Lashes Sephora Collection, like, vault type deal. It has 2 styles of lashes in here. It did come with a lash applicator, which I have taken out because I wanted to try it and I hated it. But the lashes are great. So the lashes that are actually in here are one in Miami and one in Lux. These lashes typically retail for like $30-some a piece, and I got 2 pairs for $12.99. Woo! Y'all okay? They good. So the very next product, this little duo, I love him so much. Okay, so this duo is the Bite Beauty. What are you even called? Don't hate me if I say this wrong. Gazpacho and the Amuse Bouche lipstick and the shade 078. I was expecting a cool name. It's not. Just 078. So basically it is a red lipstick with a red lip liner. Look at how cute they are. I've already used it once. I'm slowly getting like really into colored lipsticks lately. You can't tell right now though, right? But I'm really getting into like colored lipsticks, like vibrant and like just different. So I don't wear red a whole lot. So I thought, you know what? This is like, I think it was $6.99 for this. I'm not 100% sure. Don't quote me. But like for the price and this sweetie baby, and I'm probably not going to use it like every day. So this will last me for a while. Oh, another lipstick duo! I feel like Oprah. Like you get a lipstick and you get a lipstick and you get a lip liner. Oh my God, I literally threw it. Shit. I am way too excited. I am not Oprah. Get your life together. You are not Oprah. Whew. This is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Lip Pencil and the Vice Lipstick. Now, I got super, I don't want to say scammed because I didn't read it right. It's my fault. But I feel scammed. So it was called like the ex-girlfriend combo or whatnot. And my favorite lip liner of all time by any brand ever is the ex-girlfriend liner from Urban Decay x Gwen Stefani, the best lip liner I've ever used in my life. So of course I'm really excited thinking, yes, I'm finally gonna get another one because that was limited edition, I do believe. So it's like, yes, I'm finally gonna get another one. Like the one that I have, let me show you, like just super quick. Like I will just show you. Where you at, baby girl? Like, that's all I got left. That's it. So here I'm thinking, yes, I'm getting a brand new one. Woo! And I get a lipstick. Holla! No. That's not what happened. The lip liner that I got is the Naked 2 lip liner. And the lipstick is in the shade Ex-Girlfriend. Now, you'd be silly. You'd be real silly to think I'm not using these though. Because they are gorgina. Look at that! Like this. The best color ever. I love it so much. So, you know, I don't care that you're a lipstick. I'll still use you. Might even use you as a lip liner. Put you on a little brush and line my lips. Who knows? Who cares? That one hit me in the head. Alright, so 2 products I'm going to grab right now because they're super similar. They are the same thing, actually. Kind of, but different brands. You guys know from watching my hair care video that I don't wash this very often. You know, but hey, it grew forever long, so joke's on you if you wash your hair all the time. So anyway, so to prevent me from having to wash my hair all the time like I used to, I use, crap, I just broke the cap. I use dry shampoos. Now, Batiste right here, this one is my favorite. I have mentioned it in previous videos. Batiste is the best dry shampoo on the entire market. At me, if you think otherwise. Damn it, that cap is screwed. But this one, I was like, you know what? Like, I want to try something different. And something about, like, this desert scene on the bottle just got me. You know, just, like, pulled me in. Like, I'm such a sucker for packaging. And it was only $6.99, so, like, why not, right? It's huge. I don't mind it. I really don't. It's by the brand Pearlescence, and it's called the High Noon Dry Shampoo. Refreshes hair between washes. Like, duh. Hello. It's what dry shampoo does. I don't mind it. However, I can't pile it on like I do with the Batiste, because this has a volumizing component to it, and it actually, like, turns my hair kind of crispy. And then it's so volumized, it looks worse. So I learned that the hard way whenever I first bought this, but now I know how to use it. I use it more so as a texturizing and, like, volumizing spray as I do a dry shampoo. But girl, I still like it. Okay, let's keep it moving. Yes, we're moving fast today, baby. Only 3 more products? Wow. I really am zooming. So this product is the Shiseido blotting sheets. I'm an oily, gross mess whenever it comes to my skin, and I need to have blotting sheets with me basically at all times because my skin, you know, gets gross. So I like to blot all that extra oil off so I don't look so nasty and so dewy. So I bought these blotting sheets. They are stupid expensive if you buy them, like, at Sephora or through Shiseido, and I'm not doing that. I'm like, I don't know, like, something close to, like, maybe $20 or something. I don't know. It could be even more. It could be less. I could be full of shit. But regardless, I'm not paying a ton of money for these. Not doing it. Bye. This next thing. The Clinique Fit No Big Sweat Post-Workout Face and Body Cleansing Wipes. Yeah. So essentially, all these are just face and body wipes to wipe down after you work out. So I don't know about you guys, but your girl is a sweaty little piglet whenever she works out. Nothing wrong with that. If you're a sweaty little piglet, yes, you are detoxing. Go you. So since I am such a sweaty little piglet, I like to, nothing against piglets. I think I just like to say that word. Like, piglets are freaking cute. And I don't even know if they sweat. Like, do pigs sweat? Is that why they get in mud? I don't know. Somebody educate me. But I like to wipe myself off because I want to help prevent breakouts on my face and my body. And whenever you touch, oh, just the thought of touching some of that stuff at the gym, like after other people have touched it, just makes me like want to just, it's cringe-worthy. So I need something like this. And beforehand, I was just using any old thing that I could find, just any type of wipe. But then your girl found these. This is actually the second pack of these that I've got. They're okay. I mean, they're nothing amazing at all. Like, I wouldn't go out of my way to pay full price for these. Like, hell no. But your girl got these on sale for $4 buckaroonies. And I do like that they're actually pretty big size sheets. Like, they're pretty full sheets. So you could actually, like, get your face with, like, one side or, like, one corner and then, like, get your arms and whatever. Like, that's kind of what I do. I don't, like, take a bath, but I will just kind of, like, get the places that I don't want shoulder breakouts and I don't want face breakouts and I don't want, like, that kind of stuff. You pick it up what I'm putting down. I don't know why I'm finding it hard to find the words to describe why I use these, but I was so scared that was gonna hit me. The last product that I have picked up from, where am I getting these things from? TJ Maxx and Marshalls, is this right here. This little baby. Controversial little girl. I would never in my lifetime would have never paid full price for this item. Just because it was so controversial and people were having so many mixed reviews on it, I just didn't see the purpose in me spending my hard-earned cash, my moolah. She was marked for $24, which is like, I think literally half of what it's marketed as, like, retail price. So I saw it, $24, and I'm thinking, okay, like 50% off. Your girl can probably manage that. We can maybe swing that. And I open her up. Now I open her up now, and you see her, and she's beautiful, right? Like, this is actually a really gorgeous palette. I was actually really bummed to, like, know that it was so controversial and, like, wasn't the greatest. Because she's beautiful. But I opened it up at the store, and this shade right here, Electric, which is a gorgeous shade, this shade right here was destroyed. It was like flaking everywhere. I mean, the whole palette was a freaking mess. A little bit of Dawn, like the little corner of it, was cracked too. So like these two had just basically went through it somehow. Like somebody was not kind to this product, but it wasn't touched or anything like that. I was actually surprised. So I take it up to the counter, and if you don't know, damaged items you can actually get a discount on, and it depends the type of damage is how much of a discount you were gonna get. So since the shadow was broken, I wanted to go ahead and buy it anyway because I actually know how to repair shadows or powdered products. I knew I could go home and fix this, and I'm gonna try to get a discount on this item because it's like, why? For just basically like 1.5 broken shadows, like that's fine with me. So I took it up to the counter and they sold this to me for $18. And then I came home and I immediately fixed it, and like, look, I mean, they're perfect. They are perfect. I'll even swatch it for you to show you, like, I know what I'm doing sometimes. See? She still works just fine. Meep, meep. So as far as the palette goes, like, in my opinion, I'm wearing it on my eyes right now because I wanted to do something like camo-esque, like camo inspired, and I really like it. Now, some of the shades are a little more difficult to blend than others, but so far I've actually really enjoyed it. For $18, she a good palette. For $42, I don't think so. But for $18, yeah, baby, and I'm not gonna throw you. Nope, you're gonna be sat right there because we've already been through it. So that's it, guys. That's everything that I just got, or everything that I got in my last TJ Maxx and Marshalls haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed seeing some of the goodies that I have found throughout my adventures to the stores. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe before you go and click that notification bell so you get notified every single time that I upload, because trust me, you want to be here. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!